The objective of the TASTE program is to provide you with an opportunity to talk face-to-face with a York alumni about your career-related interests over lunch or coffee. The students get the opportunity to interview professionals in their field in order to gain insight, perspective, and information about their field of interest. You get to broaden your network, practice communication skills, interview skills, and networking skills. This is a mentoring opportunity that is designed to help you build your network and gain insider information from a professional in your field of interest. This is a great way to learn about labor market trends, tips on how to enter the field, and gain career-related guidance. Students should not be going to these meetings expecting job offers or interviews. The goal is to build and maintain this new relationship with your mentor. Networking is a two-way street. Always consider how you and your mentor can create a mutually beneficial relationship. TASTE mentors are volunteering their time and their resources to mentor York students. Be sure to show your gratitude and think about ways that you can support them. The best way to prepare for your TASTE meeting is to start with researching your alumni. Research their job title, research the company, research the industry. Research will make you better prepared and more confident for your meeting. You want to go to these meetings prepared so you can ask thoughtful questions and gain insider information. We encourage you not to spend your valuable time with the mentor asking questions that you can readily find the information to online. For your TASTE meeting, we would recommend a business casual attire. However, the consideration of what to wear may change depending on the professional that you are meeting with and where you are meeting them. For example, if your meeting is at a conservative accounting firm, then your choice of attire may move to more of a business professional. Research about the organization and their culture will help you make an easier decision. The main thing to remember is to dress to impress, because you may have the opportunity to meet more than one professional during your TASTE meeting. To make a great impression during your TASTE meeting, use your active listening skills and remember to have a balanced conversation. Maintain eye contact throughout your conversation to demonstrate interest and engagement. Showcase your personality and don't forget to smile. This will demonstrate confidence and help you build rapport with your mentor. Go to your meeting prepared with a list of open-ended questions. Gather information about your field of interest so you can engage in conversations about trends, events, and up-to-date industry information. Handshakes are a non-verbal way of saying, "It's nice to meet you," and your handshake says a lot about you. You want to make eye contact and smile. You want to make your handshake firm and only use one hand. Creating a 20 to 30 second introduction about yourself is very important. You want to learn how to introduce yourself and talk about yourself confidently. You want to be able to articulate your skills and get comfortable answering the question, "Tell me about yourself." Your 20 to 30 second summary should be customized depending on the field that you're applying to or the person that you're meeting with. However, it can include a variety of different things, including but not limited to your education, your relevant skills, knowledge, and assets, personal qualities that will help you do well in that role or in that industry, your career goals and job target, that could be short-term or long-term, and your reason for your interest. Be respectful. Arrive 15 to 20 minutes before your scheduled meeting. Show genuine curiosity and interest in the people that you are interacting with. Be open-minded and considerate. Avoid talking about any sensitive and controversial topics such as politics and religion. Have a balanced conversation. Don't monopolize or interrupt. Listen attentively. Bring a notebook so you can write down the important information that's provided to you. Be nice to everyone around you because you never know who they are and what role they hold.
Tell me about a typical day. What do you do?
What kinds of problems do you deal with?
What tips do you have for someone who is looking to get their foot in the door?
What do you love most about your role, and what do you find to be the most challenging aspect?
What experiences have led you to your present position?
What are the duties of your job?
What kind of decisions do you make?
What are some essential skills that students or new graduates should have in order to be successful in this role, field, or industry? Why did this type of work interest you?
What opportunities exist for students and new grads who are looking to gain experience in the field?
Ask your mentor how they want to stay connected. Be sure to send them a thank you letter within 24 hours of meeting them and ask them if you can add them on LinkedIn. Please be advised that our mentors are not required to maintain a relationship with every student that they meet. So now let's recap all the great information that we learned today to help you with the quiz in order to be eligible for the TASTE program. Now it's time to demonstrate your learning in a quick and easy way and become eligible for the TASTE program. If you need more support before completing the quiz, please remember that you can contact me at serena@yorku.ca